Hello everybody, a very happy Rakshabandhan to all of you. So I have 4 very easy and quick designs for you today. So for this one I had a few beads and Lord Ganesha's bead as well. So I just put it together in a red thread, and I also made sure to tie a few knots at the edges so that the beads don't slide off. And whenever you're making a rakhi, especially make sure that the threads are of equal length. That was so easy, right? This rakhi, I'm calling this milkshake rakhi because of the colors. There's cream, there's strawberry, there's chocolate. Oh my god. So I've taken 2 threads of each color, so I have 6 threads, and I'm basically braiding it. So if you do not know how to braid, you can see this one, and if you do, then you're good to go. So I also added beads in it, and I made sure that the beads stayed in a single thread. For example, here I have used beads only on the brown thread. So continue braiding your rakhi. This is how it's going to look. At the end, I used a single thread to tie a knot around it. That's how we're gonna secure this one. So don't forget to do it on both the sides. And this is the finished rakhi. It was very easy. And again, make sure that the threads are of equal length. So this is the third rakhi. I've called it the studded rakhi, and I've already packed it. It's ready to go. For this I used a piece of cardboard, and I've put stones in between, then a golden chain, then a blue chain, then again a gold chain, then a red studded chain. Then to complete it I used gold ball chain again. I've cut extra edges off, used some fabric glue to stick the thread, and also added a red colored sheet to give it a finished look. And this is the finished rakhi. So the fourth one, I'm calling it the intricate rakhi because it's a little bit difficult if you have never used beads before, but not that difficult. So in a thread I have placed a bead, and I've used 4 to 5 beads, any colored but smaller in size, and I am using a needle. Make sure that the needle is very thin so that it passes the beads easily. So because this looked an incomplete circle, I inserted one single bead on both the sides in this way. So you have to look at the video very carefully to understand what am I doing. For the next circle I have used grey, and for the third circle I've used white to finish it off. Now when you have these concurrent circles and they are not connected, it may fall off. So what you have to do is sort of give the beads a stitch from one circle to the other circle, as you can see in the video, and that's it. The final thing that is left to do is to add a thread. So again, I'm going just up and down in the concurrent circles, and I passed the thread through the pearl in the center, and that is how your thread will pass through the rakhi. And at the edges, make sure to tie a knot so that this thread is secure and protected. So I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe, like, share the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.